Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing an unboxing and review of the iGoku Dashcam. Before we begin, I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe, as we are trying to hit 1000 subscribers by the end of the year. Starting with the unboxing, the box itself lists detailed specifications on the back, which say that the Dashcam has a 170° field of view, records in 1080p, has a G sensor built in to detect crashes, it also has a microphone built in to record audio, and can support an SD card up to 32GB. When you open the box, you can see the Dashcam on top, and underneath it you will find the suction clamp, the car charger, a mini USB cable, and also a manual. The manual is worth a good look as it holds all the necessary information on how to place it inside the car and also how to operate it with the buttons found on the Dashcam itself. This is therefore very useful and will be needed for reference. Taking a look at the Dashcam itself, you can see that it has a full metal body and it feels very sturdy in the hands. It doesn't leave fingerprints either, which is great to see. The camera is chrome plated and the buttons on the side show the navigation buttons and mode button. Apart from that, you also find the micro SD card slot. On top you will find the mounting hook and also a mini HDMI and mini USB port. These are useful for moving the files without taking the SD card out. The mini HDMI can be used to project the videos from the Dashcam itself to a screen or projector, and on the other side you will find the record button, picture button, menu button and power button. These are all very nicely placed and are very satisfying to press since they are tactile. Apart from that, you have the main 3-inch screen on the back, which shows you a live feed of the footage being recorded. The clamp is made out of plastic but is still very well made. To clamp it into place, all you have to do is press it against the windscreen and use the lever to create a vacuum seal. This makes it hold in place easily and allows it to hold on tightly. To mount the Dashcam, all you need to do is use the hook from the clamp and insert it into the cutout of the Dashcam. This provides a steady shot and therefore will not show much bumps or shakiness of the road. To install it inside your car, all you have to do is clamp the Dashcam onto the windscreen, run the car charger cable through the cutout so the cable won't be seen, and put the plug into the port. This will make the Dashcam start up automatically every time you start the car itself. I have shot some test footage which can be seen right now, and as you can see, the footage is pretty good for what it's worth. You cannot expect every bit of detail to be seen, and therefore you cannot expect every license plate to show up. It is clear enough though to show license plates of cars which might crash into you or get too close to you. This is all that is needed to capture the footage, and this can obviously be used to help you win a case. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.